Hello. In this video, we are going to look at steps to configure blackout policy in BMC Helix Operations Management, also known as BHOM. Blackout policy provides a mechanism to ignore or mute any false alerts generated during the maintenance of IT systems. To configure blackout policy, you can use BHOM console with user-friendly wizard-based guided option. Or if you want to configure the blackout policy programmatically, you can use API call. In this video, we will have a quick look at both of these options. For GUI-based blackout policy configuration, log into BMC Helix Operations Management console. Click on Configuration, Blackout Policies. This will take you to the Blackout Policies page and list all the existing blackout policies with the status and other details. Click Create button to create new policy. Let's have a quick review of all the information required to configure the blackout policy. If you are configuring this for the first time, you can leverage self-help guided assistance by clicking on the self-help button on the right hand side of the page. Specify a unique meaningful name which can easily highlight the purpose and configuration of blackout. Followed by description. This is not mandatory. Enter a unique precedence number in the range of 0 to 9999. Lower number indicates higher priority. Please note, the policy evaluation order always supersedes the precedence number specified in the policy. The selection criteria in the blackout policy defines the condition based on which the events are selected for the blackout. When you click in the box, you are auto-prompted to make a selection. Each time you make a selection, you are progressively prompted to make another selection. The process of constructing the selection criteria is same as other event policies. For example, I want to black out events of type alarm and originating from AP region. Click Add Configuration and configure the blackout setting. In the blackout setting, you will be prompted to add time frame and blackout action setting. You can configure one-time or reoccurring blackouts. You can also select a desired time zone under Advanced Setting. One-time blackout can be used to black out event notification during specified time period only, such as holiday or during an expected change in your IT environment. Recurring blackout can be used to black out event notification for specified time period but repeatedly, such as during regular maintenance window or if your IT operators do not want to see event notification during certain time of the day. In this video, I will define a date and time range and specify the reoccurrence to work on certain days of the month. Recurring blackout can be used to black out event notification for specified time period but repeatedly, such as during maintenance window or if your IT operator do not want to see event notification during certain time of the day. In this video, I will define a date and time range and specify the recurrence to occur on certain days of the month. Logic here is from midnight of 19th August 22 to midnight of 31st December 22 during Melbourne time zone, the blackout policy will repeat every month on 7th, 8th and 9th. While configuring the blackout action, please note that the new event matching the selection criteria are blackout during the blackout window as long as they are in open status. If you enable the blackout existing event, it will change the status of the existing event from open to blackout when the policy is enabled and the blackout window time frame is about to start. At the end of the blackout policy, you can change the status of the existing blackout event to their last status by selecting Restore Blackout Event to their last status. We have selected this as users don't want to lose actionable events once the blackout is over. For example, if any service that didn't come up post OS patching, I want the user to get notified for such events after the blackout time frame is over. Save this blackout setting, click on Enable Policy and save the policy configuration. You can verify if the events are getting blacked out and the status of the event is blackout. Let's now quickly validate the second approach of the policy creation using API. You can use BHOM API to create blackout policy programmatically. For the purpose of this video, I have used PowerShell script to call out blackout policy creation. The same configuration we discussed earlier can be provided in this script. For example, using this script, I will be creating a daily reoccurrence for the dates as shown on the screen. I will now execute this script. This confirms that the blackout policy has been created. Let's quickly verify in the BHOM console. I can see the new policy has been created. This demonstrates the blackout policy configuration in BHOM. Thank you for watching this video.